Jean Cody Cole. Back in this bitch. Ballin', stuntin', thuggin', got these people hatin'. Fuck 'em, pistol touch 'em, smoking ounce, it's nothing. High as me, you bluffin'. Chasing after hundreds, hit the pavement, then I'm running. Dish the set, cause 12 coming. Now I'm rushing, gotta go. I'm a fucking animal. Killing shit like Hannibal. Got a flow that's cutting throat. Do the most. Bragging, boast, knowing close on the best. Like the weed from the west, and shots need a vest. So the slugs don't hit your chest. How I'm living, I finesse. Life's a game of chess. Make your moves, don't regret. Take off like a jet, pussy wet, nothing but net. When we ride, need a ref. Matter of fact, just need his tech. You got rookies, you got vets, I got next. I'm a threat, I'm a young prospect. Used to stay in them jacks, so I'm dope. Boy, fresh, got a rapper attitude. Rap it, serve it like it's food. In a mood, pull up, shoot. See me hanging out the roof, best salute. I be living by the moon. Small circle, no one knew. Hung with drug dealers and goons, and they wonder why I talk this way. Wonder why I walk this way. Boy, this easy, boy, this cake. You know that we gon' get paid. Hey. But you, 3.14 pie, you a pussy. And I see your bitches looking, sending pictures of her goodies. Get that cookie, hit the booth, got something cooking. Something cooking. Hey, turn on the flame, got something brewing. My visions that I'm pursuing. If I said it, I've been through it. I influence, you can do it. I'm gonna make a name, get so rich that I make it rain. Feel the pressure, feel the pain. It's always good in bad days. This sunshine and this fucking rain. Understand, just the reason. Put the trees in the blunt, get high. Some said I see Jella die. Remember nights my mama cried. We gon' make it if we try. Heard the same shit all my life. What's the chances? Roll the dice. If they shoot, we hit the flow. Bustin' back to let them know. I ain't no pussy, I ain't no hoe. I'ma stand 10 toe, wait to blow. Dirty Sprite, Pomo. I'm a poet, this my flow. Will I make it? Lord knows. I don't give no fuck no more. Turn up, time to glow. Kick the dough, go be smoke. Follow code, stick to the script. Might just steal in, fuck your bitch. Pistol gripped, got me feeling I'm the shit. Time to shine, gotta do it big when the world hear me spit. Witness this, make a killing. Bullet left my clip, call this freshness. Do not test this deadly weapon, I'm on go. Shots fired, I reload. All my life, that's all I know. Cause it's hard to stay humble with skills that I juggle. Came up out the jungle, my stomach would grumble. Crack, watch it bubble, flip shit, then it double. Product of my hustle, I flex like a muscle. Ride on the beat, listen to me. Pistol clap and repeat. I'm a beast, off the leash. Chopped up, no peace. Kill shit, deceased. Roof, drop into the seats. Chopper gon' speak, what a fuck boy squeak. Bitches getting geeked, then they turning into freaks. Wet like a leak, take it to the sheets. Fuck you mean, we gon' get this cream. Make a song, then I sip my tea. Rap shit, blow up Iraqi. This is me and this my dream. Flow like no other, bring lightning and thunder. Speak with my chest, never stutter. Can't trust nobody but my fucking brothers. Hit the beat, kill that shit. What you mean? It's time to eat. Boy, I'm chasing after cheese. My skill been peeped and I'm only 17. So I'm gonna get better. Dreaming of the days that I got more cheddar. It's a cold world, gotta double up the sweater. Don't let nobody sweat you. Just wait to blow. Skin white like dope. Got 2 black hoes. Finna make a Oreo. Let's go.